Hi, Christy. This is Julie. So I'm going to show you something with um, Google Classroom. So very first off, you're going to go to your Google Chrome, click on that. You're going to go into here, which is your waffle. Click there and go down to your Google Classroom, which is here. When you click on it, yours is going to look different than mine because I have lots of Google Classroom. See how many I have. So yours will be up here and it'll say cheerleading, and you're going to get a blue right here. It'll say join. Make sure you click that join button. And then once you click that join button, it will open you up to a page that looks like this. Once you are here, to add your cheerleading girls, you go to people. Now you can add teachers. So your advisors, I don't know how many coaches you have. All you would need to do is click here. And I'm going to add you. And here's your name, Christy Couch. And I'm going to invite you. And that's all you have to do. And so now you can see that you're invited. So if you have other coaches that are not part of the district, you would just add their emails there and then invite them. Your students, you can either give them this code here, the V5VT3UM, or you can personally add them. And you type in their name. So say Emma Moser. So right here it is, you would click it. And then once you click it, you would push invite. Now, I can't remember if Emma's junior, senior, or what have you, but I know she's a cheerleader. So I just didn't add her because I wasn't sure. But you can give them, the girls, this code, or you can add them yourself. And all the students pretty much know how to do it. And once you put it on there, they'll join you. So now, the stream, this is where the kids can see all their assignments. But for you to actually create an assignment, you have to go to this word, Classwork. And right here where it says create, you can, and even though yours is more about like routines and stuff, that could be an assignment. You could also put it as a material. So if you want to do some like routines that they need to practice, you just click material, title it. So practice these moves, whatever it is, you know. And then you can add, when you add, you can add it from your Google Drive, a link, a file, a YouTube, whatever it is, okay? And then once you figure out what you're gonna do, you push create, and then you come over here and push post. And that is all you need to do. And once you push post, obviously I didn't create it, right here is your assignment. And the girls can go in there and see. But I'm going to delete this so that you have a fresh, clean slate. If you have any questions, please feel free to call. So once again, your stream is where the girls can see what your assignments were. You click Classwork to actually create the assignment. And then people, that's where you can add teachers or your other advisors, or students where you can add all your cheerleaders. If you have any questions, make sure you give me a call. Thanks.